everyone, and welcome to another Intuitive Tuesday where we test our intuitive skills. So please have fun with this. This is meant to be a game. It's meant to be fun. So if you find yourself getting upset or arguing with it, then maybe just click off this video. It's not the video for you. That's not the intent here. The intent is to have fun and to exercise our intuitive muscles. So we do that with different intuitive exercises. And this week we have a theme of bells, music, and bells and ringing. So if you don't really like to hear ringing and stuff like that, this may not be your Intuitive Tuesday. But we are going to be ringing some bells with this Intuitive Tuesday. And I like to do different exercises so that we can really exercise those skills in different ways. I like to try to get harder and do a master intuitive exercise at the end. So yeah, so I do try to make these harder as we go, but you know, it's different for everyone. Have fun with these and really feel into it. Feel what it feels like with these. So if you need more time to really feel what you think is going to happen, make sure you pause during the timer. So here we go. Let's begin this musical Intuitive Tuesday with my 3 ceramic musical cats. I am going to remove one at a time, and then at the end we'll add one at a time. So if you can guess right now which one will be the last one standing, then you can get some bonus points at the end. But for now, I'm going to remove either number 1, the kitty cat with the cello, is that what that's called? With the string instrument, or am I going to remove the kitty cat number 2 with her maracas, or will I remove kitty cat number 3, the drummer boy? So which one is going to go first? And remember that if you need more time, pause during the countdown. All right, here we go. Ready, set, go. All right, we're going to remove the girl number 2. So number 2 is the first one to go. So see you later. If you hang out to the end, you'll see her again. All right, guys, now we have just two boy cats left. So we have the string instrument number 1, and we have the drummer boy number 2. So which one did you think was going to be left? I hope you didn't think it was the maracas. All right, so which one will I pick up and which one will be left? You can proclaim both if you want, or you could just proclaim which one will be picked up. Or you could just proclaim which one's going to be left, you know? It's your game. Do it your way. Okay, if you need more time, pause during the countdown. Ready, set, go. All right, so we're going to take the string instrument cat. We'll see you later, Mr. Cat. And the final one left is the drummer boy. Drummer boy cat is the one that stays. All right. So we are going to see these cats later on. But for now, we're going to move to the next. Okay, guys, for this week, we have some bells that we are going to be working with. We are going to be ringing the bells. Okay, so for this first one, it should be easy with the 50-50 chance. We have this bell with the roses painted on, and then this bell with the roses, the ceramic roses. So they do sound differently. What we're going to do is figure out which bell sounds like this. All right. Is it bell number 1 or bell number 2? And we'll ring both bells to see which one it was. Ready? If you need more time, or if you need to rewind and listen to it again, you can rewind and listen. Or here you go, here's one more time. Okay, so we are going to ring bell number 1 first. And then we'll ring bell number 2. So I think we can tell bell number 2 is much stronger. So it was bell number 1 that we were ringing. All right? Now, that's enough of the ringing. We're going to add 2 more bells. Some blue bells. Actually, we'll add 1 at a time. How about that? All right, so now I will pick up one of these bells and I will ring the bell. Which bell am I going to ring? Bell number 1, bell number 2, or bell number 3? All right, ready, set, go. I decided to go for number 1. I was about to go for number 2, but I decided to go for number 1. I thought it would throw you guys off a little bit more. So, all right, let's add the next blue bell in. We're gonna ring another bell. So which bell are we gonna ring now? Will we ring bell number 1, bell number 2, bell number 3, or bell number 4? All right. Which bell are we going to ring next? If you need more time, pause during the timer. Ready, set, go. And the answer is number 3. I wanted to throw you guys off. I try to do that. I'm sorry. I hope you guys have fun with it. I'll try to have fun with these. Okay, so I have 1 more bell that we've got to add in, because I guess the more we have, the harder they get. That's what I hear. All right, which bell am I gonna ring? Number 1, bell number 2, bell number 3, bell number 4, or bell number 5? Which one am I gonna ring? You can guess the number or you can guess the bell. All right, here we go. If you need more time, pause during the timer. Ready, set, go. And we're going to ring. I love that little, it's like a little bird chirping bell. So cute. All right, guys. So now we are going to be removing a bell. And this is higher level stuff. So if you're not quite getting them at this level, that's okay. This is higher level whenever there's this many, apparently. So that's okay. We're just having fun. But I am going to be removing one of these bells. Will I be removing bell number 1, bell number 2, bell number 3, bell number 4, or will I remove bell number 5? All right, guys. If you need more time, pause during the timer. Ready, set, go. We are going to remove bell number 4. Okay, so then there is only 4 left. So, which bell am I going to remove? Will it be bell number 1, bell number 2, bell number 3, or bell number 4? So, if you need more time, press pause during the timer. Ready, set, go. All right, we're removing bell number 2, which was our first bell in our first exercise today. Bell number 2. Okay, guys. Which bell am I going to remove next? Bell number 1, bell number 2, or bell number 3? And it's getting easier now. So, which one will it be? 1, 2, or 3? If you need more time, press pause during the timer. Ready, set, go. Number 2. Cute little birdies, leaving us with 2 blue bells. And I did do that on purpose. These are actually bells that have not rang yet. So, just like at the beginning, I'm going to let you listen to the sound and you're going to guess which bell sounds that way. Which bell's ring am I ringing? All right, so which bell sounds like this? So you are going to guess which one of those bells sounds like that, and then we will ring both of them. So, which bell do you think has that sound? One more time, we'll listen to the ring. All right, remember, if you need more time, press pause during the timer. Ready, set, go. All right, this one sounds like this. And this one sounds like this. All right, it was this one. This is the one. And this was not it. So, number 2, not number 1. So, back to our little drummer boy. So, with the little drummer boy, we are going to add 1 or the other. Will we add his brother back or his sister? So his sister will be number 1, his brother's number 2. So who will be added to the little drummer boy? Sister or brother? If you need more time, press pause. Ready, set, go. We brought sister back. Yay! Which means brother was the one left alone. With the... Okay, guys. So, now for our master level today, working with the bells. So, I have this clear bell, and I've covered up the object that's inside of it. And I've turned it to black and white because some people might recognize this bell. It was popular back in the day, but it was given to me whenever I was a child. So there's also different colors of this type of thing. So some people might know what's in this bell, but if you don't, then that's the game. Guess what is in the bell. And for those that do know, if you happen to know what's in the bell, then guess the color. What's the color? Because they sewed it in different colors. So, okay. Alright guys, if you need more time, please press pause during the timer. And we're guessing what is in this bell and what is the color for bonus points. All right, here we go. Ready, set, go. And we have a carousel horse. It's a carousel horse, or you could say it's a saddled horse, and the color is pink. These also came in blue, yellow, purple. So the final one, and it does ring. It will ring. But it's more of a Christmas ornament. You can see it has this. So, yes, it's a carousel horse, and that is our Master Intuitive Tuesday. So, thank you guys so much for joining us today. I hope that you enjoyed it. I hope that you had fun. Most importantly is that you had fun. If you did have fun, please, please, please hit that like button. Thank you so much for joining me. And I hope that you were able to gain something out of it. And thank you once again. As always, stay mystical and stay wild, my friends. Love and blessings to all of you.